How to play CS2 stretched. So first what you want to do is just open up your game. Once that's done, click on the settings here at the top left. Once you're here, go to video, then go to display mode and make sure that it is set to full screen. Then go to aspect ratio and set it to normal 4:3. After that, go to resolution, then pick any resolution that you want. The lower the resolution, the more pixelated your game is going to be. So I suggest that you play within 1280 by 960 or 1280 by 1024. So I'm going to go with 1280 by 960. Then on refresh rate, pick the highest one possible. For me, it is 100 hertz right here. After that, just simply click on apply changes, then you are good to go.